Do you enjoy playing games? Do you want to earn money while playing games on your phone or computer? Then we have something for you. All you have to do is download an app on your smartphone and follow the step-by-step guide that we made in order for you to start earning. You do not need any past experience or technical expertise. You do not even need an investment to make a start. This method is 100% free and available worldwide, meaning anyone from anywhere can do this method and start right away. All you have to do is to download some games and you are good to go. Sounds good, right? Make sure to watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process of how you can earn money just by playing games. You can even double or triple the earnings you make as you play. So what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. We will be showing you 3 ways on how you can earn money just by playing games. To start off, we need to download the app called Big Time. This is an app that you can use to win cash by playing free games. You can choose and play any of the games that the app has to offer and earn tickets as you play. The more tickets you earn, the higher the chance for you to win cash prizes. And when the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner is drawn. This app has a lot of games that you can play to earn money. If you look at this section, these are all the games that they have in their app that you can play for free. So you do not need to play the same game over and over again to the point that it gets boring for you and you just stop playing. You can choose any game that you feel like playing. You can see so many people that have already earned money while using this app. They earned $3,000 just by playing games. And if you scroll down, you can see so many faces of people that have earned a lot of money by using this app. This shows that this app is legitimate and you can earn real money here. And you can earn this much too. All you have to do is go to your phone's app store and search Big Time. The icon should look like this. As of today, 400,000 people have already downloaded this app and started earning. So what are you waiting for? You can start now. This app has also 4.4 star review in the Google Play Store, so you know that this app is legit. After downloading the app, you can now choose any game that you want to play and start earning. And once you have earned enough tickets, you can now convert those tickets to cash and withdraw them using your bank account, PayPal, Payoneer, or even convert it to cryptocurrency. You can earn money and enjoy what you are doing at the same time. One tip that we can give you is to focus on one game in the app and play it repeatedly to easily collect tickets and convert it into cash. The game that you can focus on this app is the game Galactic Getaways. Now you can play this game again and again to easily collect tickets. But if you want to play other games, you are free to do so. We just want to let you know which games can give you lots of tickets in just a short amount of time. The second website you can use is Pogo.com. Pogo.com is a website that has a lot of games and challenges you can do to earn money. You can create an account on this website for free and start earning. If you scroll down, you can see tons of games that you can play and earn money from. And if you look at the games section on the top part of the website, you can see different categories of games that you can play. To maximize your earnings in Pogo, you should focus on the poker and solitaire categories. These are the 2 most popular categories to earn money on this website. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now back to the video. For example, if we browse the solitaire category, we can see a bunch of games that you can play right now to start earning. If you click on the game that you want to play, there is an option Play Now to start playing the game. There's also an option Learn More to learn more about the game and how to play it before actually playing the game. You can just scroll down and see the information about the game, screenshots of the game, and you can also see challenges that you can do in the game to earn points. Just pick a game and start playing now. There is also a special feature on this website that can help you gain more points and earn more money. If you go to the Challenge tab and choose Pogo Constellations, you can do these challenges to earn more points. There will be a time limit for this challenge, so you need to hurry up and complete this as soon as possible. All you have to do is to log into pogo.com each day, and this meter right here will be filled up. You are then rewarded with bonus Pogies, and completing these challenges will reward you with higher tiers of rewards. And higher tiers of rewards mean that you can gain a lot more Pogies. If you scroll down below the constellations, you can see the tiers of rewards you can get just by completing these challenges. There are 3 tiers that you can obtain, and these tiers depend on how much Pogies you can get. For Tier 1, they will give you 200 Pogies. For Tier 2, they will give you 400. And for Tier 3, you can get 600 Pogies. You can just complete the challenges above to get a higher tier and earn more Pogies. Now, if you combine the rewards that you can get in the constellation and in the time-limited challenges, you can earn so much Pogies. And these Pogies can be converted into currency. So the more Pogies you have, the more money you can earn. But before you can do all that, you need an account. Creating an account is very easy. All you have to do is to click the Register Free button right here, choose the country that you live in, and your date of birth. You can then click Next, and it will then ask you for your email address and password, and the name that you want to use in Pogo. Just fill up all this information, click on Continue, and you now have an account and you can start earning. And lastly, another way you can earn money is by playing on the website called getpaid2.com. Just like the name of the website, you get paid to do surveys, play games, do quick tasks, and offer walls to earn money. But for this video, we will be playing games. If you scroll down to this section, you can see all the fun games that you can do to earn money. All you need to do is create an account and then you can start. You can just click the Join button in this corner right here and fill out this form. You just need to put your username, password, email address, full name, date of birth, the country that you live in, and your address. Once you put in everything in this form, just click on Complete Registration and you're good to go. You can now earn money on this website. You can earn up to $1 to $3 while playing games on this website. Some games will pay a lot more money than other games. Just play as many games as you want, and if one game pays more than the other, then you should focus on that game. This is to maximize your earnings while spending less time playing games. For cashing out on this website, you can use direct bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, Amazon.com, PayPal, or Vodafone. So you can cash out money that you earned in so many different ways. So what are you waiting for? Start playing now! Now, this is a very simple method of how you can earn money while playing games. This method is 100% free and can be done by anyone. What are you waiting for? You can start earning right now. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.